Good afternoon. It is 3:07, Friday, February 23rd, here in Hermitage, Tennessee. This is the fourth and final test, recording a Zoom meeting to their Zoom cloud. I'll then download it to my computer, upload it to YouTube, and see if YouTube will create the closed captioning without doing anything else, such as playing with settings on the advanced settings side. So basically, this is it. I bought the test today. We're going to see if it works. That way, you don't have to pay to have the transcription done, and you don't have to have anybody in there typing their little fingers off trying to keep up with what you were saying. Thanks for watching.